Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talk about our new course, Programming with R. This course will be part of a big series where you are going to learn how to use R for biostatistics and bioinformatics. In this course, you are going to learn the basic programming skills that you need to know before working with any programming language. You will learn what are variables and how to determine the data type that you have and which variable or object you are going to use to store this data for further analysis and processing. You will learn what are packages, how to install a library, and how to use the different functions inside these packages. And this will take us to the next term, which is function. You will learn what is function and what does it do and how to write it in a correct way using the associated arguments. Furthermore, you will learn how to create your own function to the certain task. And one of the most important terms in programming field is looping or iteration. In this term, you will learn how to repeat certain process on certain data files, data variables, in order to reduce the consumed time and resources. At the end of this course, you will be able to write your own program or script to do certain job. All of this information and skills you are going to learn under the big umbrella of our language. And as we said before, every programming language has its own syntax, which is like the grammar or rules that control and guide you how to write code inside this language. And to make it easy to your mind, let's take the next example. Let's say that you are interested in certain field, like physics. What you have to do is to go and start studying physics using your language, like English. What will be the situation if you got a fellowship in Germany? What you have to do is to go and learn German language. And here, shifting from English to German will not change any of the concept or theories that you know about physics. You will just change the communication between you and your surrounding supervisors and colleagues. And in this case, you have to follow the rules of the new language in order to express the ideas that you know about physics. And that's exactly what we will do in this course. In this course, the major goal is to develop your programming mentality. How to think like a programmer or a coder. How to have the ability to understand the code in front of you. And how to develop your own scripts to solve a certain problem. All of these skills that you will develop, the coding mindset that you will have, will help you not only to go for further advanced level in our language, but also to transfer freely between the different programming languages that you are going to use. The source for this course will be the wonderful book, Hands-on Programming with R, authored by Garrett Gralimond. Garrett Gralimond is a statistician and R developer working in the field of data science, and this book is supervised by Hilly Wickham. Hilly Wickham is an associate professor of statistics and chief scientist at R Studio, which makes this book very interesting and highly developed to meet your needs in learning both programming and R language. To download this book, what you have to do is just copy and paste the name of the book in Google browser, Hands-on Programming with R. And this will take you to the two links. The first one will be for the interactive form of the book supported by GitHub, and the second one will be the PDF form. For the interactive form of the book, on the left side, you can see there is a panel that contains all the content of the book. You can just click on any topic or subtopic, and it will take you directly to this one. And the left and right arrows will help you to transfer between the pages of the book. And the code here is written in a similar way to that you will use and see on our studio, which makes this interactive form of the book very helpful to you. But my advice to you is that not copy and paste any code, especially if you are just a beginner, because writing the code with your hands will help you to learn more. For the PDF form of the book, it's free and you can download it and keep it as a reference with you during our course. And I will leave the link for this book on the description box of the video. If you are interested in our course and so excited to learn more about programming in our language, don't forget to just subscribe in our channel and press button bell to be announced with any new videos that will be uploaded for this course. See you inshallah in the next video and Assalamu alaikum.